Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the minus function in Excel. This is an updated tutorial for 2024, and I'll guide you through each step to make it simple and easy to follow. To start, open Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to subtract numbers. There are a few different ways to subtract in Excel, and I'll show you each one. The first method is to use Excel like a calculator. Click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type the equal sign followed by the first number you want to subtract from. For example, type =10. Then type the minus sign and the number you want to subtract. For example, type -5. Press Enter and you'll see the result in the cell. In this case, the result will be 5. Another common method is to subtract numbers that are already in cells. Let's say you have 10 in cell B2 and 5 in cell C2. Click on an empty cell where you want the result. Type the equal sign, then click on cell B2, type the minus sign, and click on cell C2. The formula should look like =B2C2. Press Enter and the result will appear in the cell. You can also subtract numbers by using the sum function with a negative number. For example, if you have 10 in cell B2 and want to subtract 5 in cell C2, you can type -5 directly in cell C2. Then, in an empty cell, type sum B2C2 and press Enter. The result will be 5. These are simple ways to subtract numbers in Excel, whether you're subtracting two specific numbers, numbers in cells, or using the sum function with a negative value. This covers the basics of using the minus function in Excel, and now you can easily subtract numbers in your own worksheets. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.